Back everyone, you may be having an issue with your Snapchat account where for some reason you just can't log in. Now this is a fairly common issue and I've been through this specific thing time and time again, and typically there's a few different ways to fix it. So as you can see, I'm logged into Snapchat, I have no issues with it, but let's say you do have an issue. The first thing I would recommend doing, as I always state, is making your way over to your Wi-Fi connections within your Snapchat account and either connecting to a better Wi-Fi signal or cell connection. And the main reason this is the case is because you have to use a data connection or Wi-Fi connection in order to actually connect to Snapchat account. So make sure you have a solid network connection available. If you do, then you're set. If you don't, you want to connect to a better one, and that should probably end up fixing the issue. Now if you do that and you still have issues with your device, the next thing I would recommend doing is to pretty much close out of Snapchat. Try going back into it and logging in. If that doesn't work, that's really the easiest thing you can do at that point, is to literally go ahead and update your Snapchat account or Snapchat app. So what this looks like is you want to make your way over to your App Store or the Google Play Store if you're on Android. You want to click the search button right here. You want to click up here, and all you want to do is type in Snapchat just like so. Now when you do this, you'll see I do have a little update button right here. So all I would need to do is click update on my Snapchat app, and it'll go ahead and update through with the app. And when it's done, maybe there was an issue with that specific version of your Snapchat. You want to go ahead and open up your Snapchat account once more, try logging in, and see if that fixes the issue. I do think more times than not this will end up fixing the issue and you'll probably end up being set. But again, maybe it's not a guarantee. The next thing I would recommend doing is to actually check if Snapchat is down. Now, a great way to tell is if you go in the comment section of this video or any other video that has something to do with Snapchat being down, and sort the comments by the newest comments. And if a lot of people are commenting at one time saying, oh, Snapchat is down, this and that, then probably Snapchat is down. But if the last comment was from like a week ago or 2 weeks ago or something like that, or even a couple days ago, then probably Snapchat is currently not down. I would recommend leaving a comment so that people know, oh, is Snapchat down or whatever. Because if Snapchat is down, you will not be able to log in. And that does happen sometimes. Another great place to check is Twitter. But this is pretty much, or these are the main ways I would recommend going ahead and essentially fixing these specific issues, specifically with Snapchat not letting you log in. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.